In this video, we will learn all about the fault, P0697. What does it mean? Symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0697 mean? Error code P0697 refers to a problem in the engine coolant temperature sensor circuit. Specifically, it indicates a faulty signal from this sensor. This sensor is critical to the operation of the engine management system, as it provides crucial coolant temperature information to the engine control module, ECM. If the ECM does not receive an adequate signal from the sensor, it can affect engine performance, fuel efficiency, and lead to increased emissions. What are the symptoms of the P0697 fault? Loss of power while driving, increased fuel consumption, engine overheating, unusual engine noises, unstable engine running. Important, the solution for this DDC varies by vehicle. If you want a custom DDC repair manual for your make, model, and year, order it here. I've left the link in the description and in the pinned comment. What causes DDC code P0697? Faulty coolant temperature sensor. Loose or corroded electrical connections in the sensor circuit. Damaged wires affecting the sensor signal. Engine control module, ECM, failure. Thermostat problems affecting coolant temperature. What are the possible solutions for OBD2 code P0697? Replace the coolant temperature sensor if it is determined to be faulty. Inspect and repair the electrical connections related to the sensor. Replace or repair any damaged wires in the circuit. Check and, if necessary, replace the engine control module. Check the thermostat and replace it if it is not working properly. We will answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with code P0697 be driven? Driving a vehicle with code P0697 is not recommended. Although the car may appear to be operating normally, the lack of an accurate signal from the coolant temperature sensor can lead to adverse conditions, such as engine overheating. This overheating can result in serious engine damage if not addressed quickly. Therefore, it is advisable to stop using the vehicle until the problem is resolved. Which sensors are related to the P0697 fault? The primary sensor associated with the P0697 code is the engine coolant temperature sensor. However, it can also be linked to other cooling system components, such as the thermostat and, in some cases, the engine control module, ECM, which is responsible for interpreting sensor signals and managing engine operation. Problems in these systems can influence the appearance of this code. How much would it cost to repair the P0697 fault? The cost of repairing the P0697 code can vary significantly depending on the underlying cause of the problem. If the coolant temperature sensor needs to be replaced, the cost can range from $100 to $300, including labor and parts. If additional repairs are required, such as replacing wires or electrical connections, the cost can increase to $150 to $400. In more complex cases, such as a failure of the engine control module, the cost can reach $500 or more. Since the temperature sensor is critical to optimal engine operation, it's essential to address this failure as soon as possible to avoid more serious and costly problems in the future. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.